Okay, you guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and opening up another package that I received. I have no idea what's in here, so let's check it out. It's double packaged. I think this is packaged very well. Okay, this is just a waste of paper, whoever did this. I wonder why they wanted it so secure. Let's see what's in here. Still don't know what it is. Getting somewhere. Alright, it is going to be, it's the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick that I bought from Whatnot. Yes! Oh my gosh. In the shade Pillow Talk Medium Blur. Yay, I'm excited. Definitely looks like the color I usually get with the Anastasia matte lipstick in the color Ashton. It's the one I'm wearing right now. Kind of looks like it. I usually try to go with the same colors because I love this shade on my lips. It's like a nice dark pink. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm telling you guys, Whatnot sells a lot of brand name items, clothes, makeup, electronics, just everything, you name it, they have it all. But yeah, 10 out of 10. I already know I'm gonna love this. Heck yeah. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time.